Okay, so now with this wonderful homemade pH indicator, I'm going to show Elizabeth a brief demo using acids and bases and indicators. So I'm taking some baking soda and dumping a little bit into this cup here, and a little bit of water, swishing it around. Now this jar would appear to all outwards appearances to be perfectly empty. And I'm preparing this other one with a little bit of vinegar. And again, to all outwards appearances, this appears to be an empty jar. But then when I go and I pour this purple liquid in there, and all over the table, it became slightly pinker.
Oh, a fair amount, yeah.
And if I stirred it around so it touches the sides,
yeah.
Then we got a color change pouring it into an apparently empty one. And if we go now into the baking soda, we get it going back to purple and even to the bluish end of things. It's a great one to start with a class if you've pre-rinsed the beakers and you have two that appear empty. You can have volunteers come up and look at it and say, yes, this is empty, and then you're just pouring a liquid into an apparently empty container and you get a color change. So it's good to get people to hypothesize what might be going on behind the scenes there.
That's neat.
So you can show that next time you're
I will.
playing around with this.
That's cool. Thank you.
And it gets a bit more dangerous, but if you want to keep going back and forth, you rinse things with stronger and stronger solutions. So you can even get like 5 or even higher molar, like sulfuric acid, and you can get like sodium hydroxide pellets, and it'll leave a little bit of a cake, so you can see that if you have a lot of sodium hydroxide. And if you want it to be perfectly dry and you're in a bit of a hurry, just use a hairdryer, things like that. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah.